This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Nancy Rasmussen. Great location and exceptionally well-maintained home on a private lot with low maintenance features, backing to greenspace. The open floor plan offers a main floor primary suite, laundry room, family room, dining room, kitchen and nook. Upstairs offers 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Additional features include like new wood floors and high ceilings. Enjoy the low maintenance features that include trex deck, metal railing and turf lawn. You won't want to miss this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Rasmussen at 503-320-3771.